Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, what you want to do is if you already have the WhatsApp and you already lost the messages and then you want to back up, simply go ahead and uninstall your WhatsApp. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and download it back. So let me just go ahead and do that. And when you do this, what happens is it's gonna simply go ahead and initiate a setup on the starting of the application, which is also gonna ask you if you want to go ahead and back up. So simply click on agree and continue right over here, allow, and now simply go ahead and enter your country and your number. So let me just go ahead and do that, and now click on next. And as you can see, it says retrieving credentials. It's also going to ask you if you want to back up real quick. So as you can see, it says restore from iCloud to me because it's on my iPhone device. However, if it is on your other device, it's going to say restore from Drive, and then simply go ahead and click on restore. Then this process is going to simply go ahead and start, as you can see. So it's going to take a little time. Be a little patient and just go ahead and wait for it. And once it is restored, click on next. Also click on continue, and now simply go ahead and share your contact with WhatsApp and click on done. As you can see, that is about it. Everything is restored now. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll